Rolling up a form. The standard behavior for double-clicking a title bar is to maximize/restore the form. The following class changes the double-click action to add a new effect, which is RollUp/restore. Copy the following unit and place it in a directory which is recognized by Delphi's search path, i.e. \_5.0\lib unit OrckaForm. Interface $B- uses messages, forms, classes, type TOrckaForm equals class, TForm, private FOldHeight, Longint, FRollUp, FRolledUp, Boolean, protected procedure WMNCLDblClick, var message, TMessage, message WM_NCLDblClick, procedure WMGetMinMaxInfo, var message, TMessage, message WM_GetMinMaxInfo, public constructor create, AOwner, TComponent, override, property. RollUp, Boolean read FRollUp write FRollUp, and implementation uses Windows. Procedure TOrckaForm.WMNCLDblClick, var message, TMessage, begin if, message.wparam equals caption, and FRollUp, then begin if FRolledUp, then begin FRolledUp equals false, height equals FOldHeight, and else begin FRolledUp equals true, FOldHeight equals height, height equals 0 and else inherited, and constructor TOrckaForm.create, AOwner, TComponent, begin inherited create, AOwner, FOldHeight equals height, FRollUp equals true, FRolledUp equals false, and procedure TOrckaForm.WMGetMinMaxInfo, var message, TMessage, begin inherited, if FRolledUp then pminmaxinfo, message.lparam, caret.ptmaxTrackSize.y equals height, and to use the form, create a new form which will look something like Unit 3, interface uses Windows, messages, sysutils, classes, graphics, controls, forms, dialogues, type TForm 3 equals class, TForm, private declarations. Add OrckaForm to the uses clause and change the following line: TForm 3 equals class, TForm, to TForm 3 equals class, TOrckaForm. Run your project. Whenever you double-click the title, the form will roll up/restore.